What's up everyone? I am Adrian Amboy. In today's vlog, I am going to share to you the importance of oral communication speech in globalization. Okay, let's start. Did you know that oral communication speech is often the most overlooked medium in the history of globalization? Yet, the oral medium, human speech, is the oldest of the most enduring of all media. Despite the numerous changes in hundreds of years, the first and every last human will share the least wanting the ability to speak in our primitive language and communication is very important tool to enriching the knowledge, experience, and skills in surviving everyday life. Additionally, oral communication plays crucial roles in globalization by facilitating effective cross-cultural interaction. Verbal communication allows individuals from diverse linguistic and cultural background to exchange ideas, negotiate agreements, and build relationships. In a globalized context where businesses, governments, and organizations operate on an international scales, effective, effective oral communication helps the bridge language barriers to foster understanding. Whether it's discussed, the communication enables the transmission of information and expression, cultural nuances, and building of trust. Additionally, oral communication is instrumental in conveying complex ideas and emotion, enhancing collaboration and cooperation in among people with different background. Uh, in essence, the ability of communicate oral and key available successful globalization, promoting mutual understanding and cooperation across diverse society and now I'm going to share to you the script in globalization. Are you ready guys? You need to do is to sit down and listen, be careful to really understand what's the importance of script in globalization. Okay, let's go. That explores the brief transition from the oral form of communication of printing. As the communication travels the distant places and over different periods of time, problems and difficulties emerge because language relies on the capacity of our memory. Always remember, there are emerge the script. It refers to the emerge because of the very first writing that enables beings to record information across distance for a much longer time. Um, Additionally, script is a written system of communication are important to globalization for several reasons. The first one is cross-cultural communication. The script allow people from different linguistic background to communicate and share information, fostering understanding and collaboration on global scale. Number two is media and entertainment. Scripts are fundamental to the creation of content in various forms, including movies, TV shows, and literature. These cultural products often transcend borders, influencing in global perspective and contributing to shared culture experience. Number three is business and trade. Um, in this business world, scripts are essential for creating contract, agreement, and documents. Standard script help facilitate international trade and transaction from global perspective and to economy. Number four is technology and innovation. Many technological advancement and innovation are documented using script, standardized coding language, and for example, enable to develop software and application that can be used worldwide, driving technology progress on a global scale. And the fifth one is educational and knowledge sharing. Script plays a vital role in education by allowing the preservation and transmission of knowledge, education, materials, textbooks, and online resources contribute to the global sharing of information. And the last one is cultural exchange. Through literature, theater, and other form of artistic expression, script help convey or it convey cultural nuances and perspective. Um, these facilitate cross-cultural appreciation and understanding, contributing to a more interconnected world. In essence of script serve as a medium for expressing ideas, conducting transaction, and sharing cultural and technological innovation. Additionally, all of which are fundamental aspect of globalization world. And dito po nagtatapos ang aking mini vlog. Hiling ko o naasahan ko na kayo ay may matutunan sa aking tinalakay. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagkikita, paalam!